So today we're going to do the urine test so that we can see the gender of the baby. This will be able to tell us the gender of the baby, hopefully, as we've seen on many experiments on YouTube. So we decided to have our own test. So if the baking soda sizzles or foams to a sort of like a beer type foam, that means it's a boy. If it's calm and it does nothing, pretty much that means that it's a girl. So let's go ahead and do the test.
Oh my god.
That's it.
So it's sizzling. It's a girl. Look, go inside. Oh my god, didn't do anything.
It pretty much did nothing.
Oh, there we go.
Looks like it's a girl. Yes, indeed. So there you go. It's a girl.
There's some beard thing, but not too much.
No, it's a girl. Okay, that's it. And this is our YouTube video. Thanks for watching.